a little bit. So Knorr has a new brand of ramen that they're bringing out, and I'm going to be doing a little twist. I just wouldn't let you do it just ramen. So I'm going to be doing a little ramen salad for you in a little bit. So the ramen, your normal ramen, right?
Right.
And this Knorr brand is a very, very good brand. So let me get the fire on and get the water boiling. And normally I put this in some boiling water. And you make ramen, right? So I take the ramen, the Knorr ramen, simple ramen, right? What I want to do actually is just to kind of just break it up a little bit. I just want it to crack up a little bit. This normally takes a couple minutes just to kind of come together. We leave that, let it do its thing.
All right.
While that's doing its thing, it's Asian, so I went for some Asian vegetables, so I have some broccoli, some carrots, all of that going in there. And I have some chestnuts.
Okay.
The ramen comes with that little nice little seasoning pack, right?
Right.
So I'm not putting it in the ramen. I'm going to actually use it to season the vegetables. So I'm doing it a little differently. So I'm taking the nice little seasoning pack from the Knorr ramen, and I'm just going to season the vegetables with it. So I really just want a nice little light saute. So I have mushrooms as well that I want to just add in last. I don't want the mushrooms to get overcooked. So really it's just to toss these vegetables together and let it do its thing. Ramen coming in there. Just make sure. So I couldn't just do ramen for mom.
I hear you.
Right? So when Knorr gave me this beautiful ramen, I was saying, what can I do for mom that will be ramen, yes, but take it up to a notch, and when she eats it, she say, ooh.
Yeah. The only thing that gave me a pass here is because it's mom, And for mom, we go all out.
We're going all out.
It's the only reason I see this thing making so much sense. Because it's for mom.
I thought about it, I gave it some thought. I'm going to make a little Asian dressing.
Okay, cool.
Simple Asian dressing. All the ingredients you have right in your pantry, right? I have some soy sauce that I'm going to start with. So soy sauce. I have some chili, garlic that I want to add in there as well. And this is so simple. This is everything in one little bowl.
Cool.
I have some grated ginger. When you're doing Asian, ginger is just kind of important. Some vinegar. Rice wine vinegar, just for that little tart. Some sesame oil.
Right.
That will go in there. And then some fresh. So I have some chive and shadow benny. That will go in there. Chive, shadow benny. A little touch of salt. A little pepper. And I kind of just mix. So I want my little whisk. Kind of just mix it together. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy.
I'm making feeling real bad, man. Feeling real bad ramen, you say,
So I couldn't just do ramen. So I'm taking some nice ingredients. Broccoli, whatever vegetables you have.
Yeah.
If you just had something, some carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, mushroom, whatever vegetables you have, you can toss it. Use the very set of ramen little spice mix that they give you. Season it up. I had no salt, I had no pepper, nothing to that. That's good to go right there. I think my ramen ready to strain and come together. Right, so you see my ramen ready. So I'm just going to add this to a nice big bowl as the base. You're not allergic to shrimp?
Nah.
Fine time for me to ask, huh? But I just love shrimp so much. So I'm just going to add that shrimp straight in there, right? Mixed up. All I did to that shrimp, salt, pepper, poach in a little bit of boiling water in and out, right? Not to overcook, just to toss the shrimp. You could have used chicken breast in here, any nice cooked protein or meat that you wanted to use. And my nice vegetables, I'm adding straight in there. So I get some mushrooms. I like color, so when I'm choosing these vegetables, I went for some green, some orange, and I just kind of just tossed everything together there. So you could have just done the ramen But I had Knorr Ramen and I got inspired to do something a little different. So taking this and making almost like a noodle salad. A noodle salad is what kind of came to my mind. And when I thought noodle salad and nice vegetables and stuff, I thought Asian. So that's why this Asian dip. And all I'm doing is really just kind of taking this dip, this dressing, and just kind of just giving it a nice little. And this dressing is so simple to make. There's nothing that you don't have in your pantry that you can make for mom. And you toss that together like that. Toss it. I wonder if I could try this way. If you never tried it, I'm gonna.
Let me see.
Yeah, little toss. And the little Chinese and will come out there. The little Chinese and will come out. And I ready to plate up for you, brother.
Let's see this thing now,
So
man.
you see, you had your soup, Asian ramen salad with some shrimp. Thanks to the folks at Knorr for making it possible. Eat your ramen with a knife and fork, brother.
Knife and fork ramen, boy. Good on here, boy. Really good on here, boy. Water chestnut and noodle and. I walking out this second. My concert coming up, I trying to lose weight. You have me up here eating bougie back broccoli. You understand? It's Asian ramen salad with shrimp. Falling out my mouth. Because my life is great and I do great things.
When we come back, we talk a little bit about your concert.
We'll do that.
We talk a little bit about your concert, and I mean, it's been a rough couple of years. And I mean, I know you were battling through it, but good things on the horizon.
Yes.
Ancil Valley in the house. When we come back, we talk to the man Ancil Valley, and have a little dessert to come still.